Willow, the heart of the forest. In a magical forest filled with vibrant colors and twinkling fireflies, there lived a curious little fox named Willow. Willow had fluffy orange fur and bright green eyes that sparkled with wonder. She spent her days exploring the hidden wonders of the forest, from secret meadows to sparkling streams. One day, as Willow was chasing a brilliant butterfly through the sun-dappled trees, she stumbled upon a mysterious clearing. In the center of the clearing stood a majestic oak tree with shimmering leaves that seemed to whisper secrets to the wind. Intrigued by the tree's beauty, Willow approached cautiously. As she drew closer, a gentle voice spoke from within the tree. "Hello, young one. I am Oak Heart, the guardian of this forest. I have been waiting for a kind and brave soul like you." Surprised but unafraid, Willow listened as Oak Heart shared a tale of an ancient enchantment that had cast a shadow over the forest. The only way to break the enchantment was to find the lost crystal heart hidden deep within the forest. Filled with determination, Willow embarked on a quest to find the crystal heart and restore light and joy to the enchanted woods. Along the way, she encountered wise owls, playful rabbits, and graceful deer who offered guidance and friendship on her journey. After many trials and challenges, Willow finally discovered the hidden glade where the crystal heart lay dormant. With a gentle paw, she touched the heart, and a burst of light illuminated the forest, banishing the darkness and restoring magic to every corner. As a reward for her bravery and kindness, Oak Heart bestowed upon Willow a gift, the ability to bring joy and harmony wherever she went. From that day on, Willow became known as the heart of the forest, spreading love and light to all who crossed her path. And so, the forest thrived once more, filled with laughter, song, and the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. Willow's tale became a legend among the creatures of the forest, a reminder that even the smallest among us can make a big difference with a heart full of courage and compassion.